What is the main mode of transmission of diseases such as cholera and typhoid fever? A. Sexual intercourse. B. Bites of animal vectors. C. Blood-to-blood contact. D. Drinking contaminated water. So what's the answer? which is obvious በነገራችን ላይ የዚህ ጥያቄ መልሱ ይታወቃል። ኮሌራ እና ታይፎይድ ፌቨር ኮንታሚኔትድ በሆነ ምግብና ውሃ የሚመጡ በሽታዎች ናቸው። ያው ምግብ ወለድ የሚባሉት ናቸው። ዛትስ ዋይ ድሪንኪንግ ኮንታሚኔትድ ዋተር የሚለው መልስ ነው ማለት ነው። ቫይረስ አር ቤተር ካራክተራይዝድ አስ ዲኮምፖዘርስ፣ ፕሮዲውሰርስ፣ ካርኒቨረስ፣ ፓራሳይትስ። በነገራችን ላይ ኦል ናቹራሊ ኦከሪንግ ቫይረስ አር ሴድ ቱ ቢ parasites. So viruses are parasites. They are not decomposers, they are not producers, not carnivores. Parasites. Obligate parasites. Good. Which means of particle transport requires input of energy by the cell? Which means of transportation requires energy? Simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, osmosis, active transport. በነገራችን ላይ diffusion and then osmosis, these are a kind of passive transport. Passive transport ማለት በነገራችን ላይ the movement of material from higher to lower concentration down the concentration gradient without using energy ማለት ነው። But active transport requires energy expenditure. That's why the answer is D. Question number 53. Which of the following is not one of the stages in cellular respiration? Cellular respiration has 4 different stages. The first one is said to be glycolysis. Second one is link reaction. Krebs cycle, and then electron transport chain. So which one is not component of cellular respiration? Calvin cycle, glycolysis, electron transport chain, and Krebs cycle. So the answer is Calvin cycle, because this is not stage of cellular respiration, but the second stage of photosynthesis, which is the light independent stage of photosynthesis, not cellular respiration. Among the molecules found in cells, which of the following contains less energy? A glucose molecule, amino acids, triglyceride. This is a kind of fatty acid, በነገራችን ላይ kind of lipid ነው, which is a very important source of energy. እንደው በጣም high amount of energy የምናገኘው እዚህ ላይ ነው። Like glucose and amino acids, these are also organic molecules that contains energy, but less energy የምናገኘው water molecule ነው። So the answer is D.